Hey everyone, it's Tom Karadza with another Rockstar Real Estate Minute, and I want to share this. We're in San Diego right now, and one of the questions that we get whenever we share we're from Toronto is about the real estate market, and people will say, hey, what's going on with the Toronto real estate market? Why isn't it crashed yet? Isn't it supposed to crash? And that's something we've all been asking ourselves as Torontonians and as Canadians forever. Something that I want you to think about is this. I think this quote is attributed to Dr. Demartini, and he says, the quality of the questions you ask in your life highly determines the quality of life you lead. And I think as real estate investors, we all do ourselves a massive disservice by asking, when is the real estate market going to crash? Or don't you know the real estate market's going to crash? A lot of people will say that. Why buy real estate now? The real estate market's going to crash. Look what's happening in Vancouver a few years ago, Calgary right now, or in 2008 in Toronto when the financial crisis hit and the real estate market kind of plateaued. That's not a good question. You don't make money in real estate by asking yourself that question. Let's all accept that the real estate market is going to collapse. It's going to collapse, and then it's going to go up, and then after that it's going to collapse again. That's an assumption that I think we can all safely make. The better question to ask all ourselves is, how can we make money in real estate knowing that there is going to be a crash, and knowing that it'll go back up again, and knowing there'll be another crash? How can we make money in real estate that way? And that comes down to, in our thinking, a lot of long-term strategy, a lot of income analysis, a lot of expense analysis, and a lot of the fundamentals of real estate investing. So asking yourself, is it a good time to buy? Isn't the real estate market going to crash? Doesn't really get you anywhere. So it's time to accept that it is going to crash and start thinking about better questions to ask yourself. Until next time, your life, your terms.